Hello, my name is Robert Mawson, and this audio presentation on crystal ball meditation comes from the World Dhammakaya headquarters near Bangkok, Thailand. This is the first CD of 3 successive progressive crystal ball meditations. It is suggested that you practice with each CD at least 5 times before moving on to the next one. These audio presentations will help you to completely relax your body, ease your mind, and give you mental clarity, leading to a feeling of well-being and happiness. Just follow along with me as I lead you through this relaxation meditation. If you're able to do so, sit in the half lotus position on a firm cushion on the floor. Place the foot of your right leg over your bent left leg. If you're unable to sit like this, sit in a straight back chair with your body erect. Place your hands in your lap, palms upward. Place the tip of the forefinger of your right hand gently against the tip of your left thumb. Softly and gently close your eyes as if you're about to fall asleep. Imagine you're in a beautiful wide open space in nature, and the air here is fresh and clean. What is more, this fresh, clean air is filled with happiness and joy, and each time you inhale, you fill every single cell in your body with happiness and joy. And each time you exhale away all of your cares and all of your worries. Relax. Relax all the muscles of your body, from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. Relax your forehead and your eyelids. Relax the muscles at the side of your eyes. Relax your cheeks and your lips, and allow your chin and jaw to be loose and slack. Relax the muscles around your neck and relax your shoulders, and feel the feeling of relaxation flow down through your upper arms and around your elbows, down through your forearms and around your wrists. Relax the muscles in the palms of your hands and in your fingers, all the way out to your fingertips. Relax your shoulder blades and all the muscles in your back, all the way down to your lower back. Relax. Relax your chest and your trunk, and loosen the muscles around your waist and in your stomach. Relax your buttocks and your upper legs. Relax the muscles around your knees. Relax your lower legs and your ankles. Relax the muscles in your feet and in your toes, all the way out to the tip of your toes. Relax. Relax all the muscles of your body. Forget about the outside world. Let go of all of your cares and all of your worries. Feel you're entering upon a supreme state of perfect calm and ease with both your body and your mind. Relax. Relax and let go.